Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So, super quick update on Rollercoin. We're just going to have a quick look at how things have progressed with Season 3. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see here, we are in my Rollercoin account. And although I know we did a quite extensive update on Season 3 only a couple of days ago, we're just having a quick look at how the account is going, how we are progressing through these tasks, and how quickly we can sort of estimate that we are going to get through these levels and start earning these rewards. Now if we scroll down, you'll see that I'm at 68 XP on day 2. Now for me, that's not bad, but it definitely could have been better on the first day. If we go into the tasks and what is expected of us, on the first day, I was able to complete the 50 games. I completed one of the specific games, so that gave us 7 there. Obviously, we did the easy tasks like clicking on the Facebook, clicking on the YouTube, that kind of stuff. We also spent 10 RLT in the shop on a loot box, and the great thing with that is when you spend 10 RLT on a loot box, you're going to get yourself a miner, pretty good miners as well for that kind of price. But you also complete 2 tasks, because one of the tasks is spend 5 RLT. Well, a loot box is worth 10, so if you spend your 10, that is going to complete 2 of your tasks. Now on the second day, unfortunately, I wasn't able to spend as much time as I wanted. I didn't complete the 50 games. I didn't complete the specific game bonus either. So it was sort of just left down to these 4 and then the login bonus. But we are still at 68 XP. I definitely think I will be getting that extra 50, those 50 games today. And though the specific game as well, and we are at 68 XP. So with the login bonus and that tomorrow, that will definitely be level 1 completed. Now I know for a lot of you, you'll probably been able to spend more time. A lot of you might well be racking up those 100 games and collecting that 10 XP and stuff like that. Right now I just don't have that time, and also as well, for many, you don't want to play 100 games. So like I say, maybe just do the 50 games, do the specific game, and then those other 4, and then you're going to be looking at claiming level every, 2 to 3 days or 3 to 4 days you're going to be getting, which does mean if you only go that route, you're probably not going to get through all of the levels. But obviously, if you do have a little bit of spare RLT, that means that every level you complete, this 299 price tag to claim everything is gonna drop. Obviously we've not claimed a level yet, so we don't know how far that is going to drop. But even if that drops, say 20, 25 rather than the 40 it was dropping in Season 2, because everything seems to have sort of been cut back. The prices are lower. They've lowered the requirement for the XP and stuff like that, so the amount that they take off that price every level you complete has probably dropped also. So you might only be looking at 20 to 25 RLT being taken off that every level you complete. Could even be less. It could be 10, it could be 15. But if you keep persevering through that, eventually this is going to start getting down to a reasonable price. So come near the end of that 60 days, you might have enough RLT that you can just go, right, that is now at like 100 or at like 70 or 50 RLT, depending on how many levels you've managed to get through. I can afford that. I'm gonna get that, and then you've got all 30 rewards straight away into your items panel, and then you can just start adding them to your racks and stuff like that, and then that is going to give your account a massive boost. Now I realize that not everybody is going to be able to do that. Not everybody has an account big enough to maybe build that kind of RLT. But I do say that it is still, you know, if you're only playing 50 games and you're only really doing those for, even, I mean, if you don't want to spend the 10 on the loot box, then maybe try and push to get the 100 games, because 100 games is worth 10 XP. Your loot box is worth 6 and your token is worth 7. So obviously claiming the loot box or paying for the loot box gives you a total of 13. If you can't afford that, push to get the 100 games, and at least, obviously, because get to 100 you got to go through 50 first, so you're actually going to get 15 XP really, or at least 10 without, you know what I'm trying to say, is you're getting close to around about the same amount that you would claim if you spent the 10 on our RLT, if you can do that 100 games. So you're going to be around about the same time. Like I say, I don't have time to do the 100, but I have time to do 50. That's why I'm paying for that loot box, to try and top that up. If you do the 100 and you don't buy the loot box, it sort of balances around about the same. So even for those of you that don't want to spend that or can't spend that 10, if you can do the 100, you're going to still be you're going through the levels around about the same speed that I will. So, you know, it is worth persevering. I think, even, I know obviously I don't agree with how the prizes and rewards have been distributed or are distributed, but I'm just thinking of you guys. If you can put that time in, get yourself some free miners. Also as well, you've got to think about all the airdrops. The more games you play, the more airdrops you're going to get. Someone said to me that they were playing the games and they've already had an airdrop of 2 small miners, and then obviously they've got the power boosts and the parts as well. So clearly those minor drops are out there. So if you're playing enough games, you're going to be getting yourself some free miners there, as well as the ones that you get through the free event pass. So in a sense, it is still worth doing those, going through those levels, if you're going to get free miner drops into your account as well, because you're gaining miners and other things while you're playing. Okay, so that's about it. That's about really all I have to say on Rollercoin. And then I just want to finish with a final message to all of you, to all of my subscribers, all of my viewers. Right now, Santa is heading for Mudan, Jiang, China. I've probably pronounced that completely wrong. I'm very sorry if I have. Santa will be arriving there in about 24 seconds. Obviously, for us here in the Western Hemisphere, we still have to wait quite a while before Santa gets to us. But to all of my subscribers, to all of my viewers, whether you celebrate Christmas or not, I just want to wish you happy holidays. I hope you have a fantastic time, and I hope you spend that time with your loved ones, your family and your friends, and you have a fantastic time. Unfortunately for me, I'm still stuck in a hotel due to things and changes in various places around the world. I'm not going anywhere. I'm stuck here. I will be obviously speaking to my family via video chat. And for those of you that do celebrate Christmas, I hope you have a fantastic and a merry Christmas and a wonderful festive season. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I will speak to you soon. If you could smash that like button as well, it really does support my channel and really helps me in a very big way. So take care, have a merry Christmas, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot.